ulan. And it's Valentine's Day. We have work to do. Bilisan mo buksan ng gate, Beno. Customers already waiting at the shop. I'll use you later. Wawa ka naman. Katambak na. Naka-schedule ng 9. Anong oras tumawag? Alas 11 na. God, I was cooking lunch. Wala, trabaho. Pasensya. Trabaho tayo.